National Pension System Dibash was organized by Revenue Department at Pragna Bhavan of the capital Agartala on Wednesday. The program was attended by Secretary of Revenue Department Apurva Roy, Additional Director and others. Various details of National Pension System was discussed on the program. Likewise, the guests who participated at the program also stated that National Pension System will be stronger in the coming days.
Very happy and august occasion for us to assemble here to celebrate NPS Day. As you know, NPS, that scheme, it was introduced in our state, in fact from 2018 for the employees as a mandatory process. So by now actually we have almost 9,000 people, those who are joining this government service after 2018. So now they have so far I think numbering around 9,000, but this process will continue. I hope in future all the government employees will come under this umbrella. And as you have already been told by Sri Joshi and also Sri Akinchan Sarkar and also Mr. Vaisya Anand, that this is a system or scheme which is open for all citizens, not only the government employees. And the people actually who are having the age group of 18 to 70 years can join, and he has to be a citizen, whether resident or non-resident or overseas, it doesn't matter. But of course you have to remember this legal entity or legal person called Hindu undivided family. This is not considered as a person for the purpose of this scheme, and also the people of Indian origin. Unless they registered as overseas citizen, they will not be eligible for these schemes. I will just mention some of the features of this scheme actually. You know, this is a very secure kind of scheme because it has got a regulator, and you can have your grievances redressed by online system which is operated by PFRDA, Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.